Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can practice English with us every day.
That's right. Today, we are going to tell you a short story that will help you improve your speaking, listening, and vocabulary. The story is called The Lost Wallet.
This is not just a story. We will also add some useful expressions and questions along the way. So, listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice with a friend. It was a beautiful sunny afternoon. The park was full of people. Children were playing, some people were walking their dogs, and others were sitting on benches enjoying the weather.
As I walked past a bench, I noticed something lying there. I looked closer and realized it was a wallet.
A wallet? Oh, that's interesting. What did you do?
At first, I picked it up and thought, maybe I should open it and check. Inside, there was some money and an ID card. I thought to myself, this must belong to someone nearby.
What were you thinking at that moment?
Honestly, I had two choices. I could keep it, but that wouldn't be right, or I could try to return it to the owner. Of course, I chose the second option.
That's the right decision. Doing the right thing always makes us feel good. So, what happened next? Did you try to find the owner?
Yes, I decided to ask people in the park. I went to an older man sitting under a tree and said, "Excuse me, did you drop this wallet?"
What did he say?
He said, "Oh, no, young lady, that's not mine, but I think you should try the cafe. Many people pass by there."
That was good advice. Did you go to the cafe?
Yes, I did. At the cafe, I asked the waiter, "Hello, did anyone lose a wallet here?"
And?
The waiter said, "Yes, a man was here about 10 minutes ago. He was very worried and said he had lost his wallet."
That must be the owner.
Exactly. I asked, "Do you know where he went?" And the waiter replied, "He walked toward the fountain."
So, you went to the fountain. Did you find him?
Yes, I saw a man walking around, searching the ground with a worried face. I approached him and asked, "Excuse me, are you looking for a wallet?"
What was his reaction?
His eyes lit up, and he said, "Yes, I lost my wallet. Did you find it?"
And you gave it back, right?
Of course. I said, "Here it is. I found it on a bench." He was so happy and relieved. He thanked me many times.
Did he offer you a reward?
Yes, he tried to give me some money, but I refused. I said, "No, thank you. I just wanted to do the right thing."
That was very kind. Helping others is always rewarding in itself.
After that, he told me how important the wallet was. All his ID cards, his driving license, and his credit cards were inside. If he lost them, it would have been a big problem.
Yes, sometimes a small good action can make a big difference in someone's life.
Exactly. He even promised me that he would also help someone else in the future, just as I helped him.
That's a wonderful idea. Kindness spreads from one person to another like a chain.
Yes, one good deed can inspire another.
So, that was today's story, The Lost Wallet.
Now, let's practice. If you find a wallet, what would you do? Think about your answer and try to say it out loud in English.
You can also retell this story in your own words. This is a great way to practice speaking and improve fluency.
Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Moments. See you in the next lesson.